All right, guys, coming back at y'all with another update on the four-door second gen project. This is the black one from Florida that belongs to Sean. Been getting a little work done on it. So in the last video, I had just got the bed off of it, and now it's inside the shop for good. Getting it torn down. It's only going to come back out of the shop one more time to sandblast the cab. So let me get y'all flipped around and check this out. So it is inside the shop now. You can see I started picking away on some of the Bondo up here. Same on that side, you can see it right there. Get the doors opened up, show y'all what we're working with. I've already done some work to the other side. I got the rear seat pulled out. I've started pulling up the vinyl floor, which is super difficult because they like spray adhesive glued it to the sheet metal. Anyway, I haven't taken any tools to this side yet. This was besides a screwdriver. I picked all of this foam out. This foam was all that was left of this rocker. It was all just lined up here like that. And there was like one piece of metal here kind of laying over the top of it. So getting all that out on this side now, kind of working our way up into the floor. You can see it's a little rusty, not too bad up on the floor pan itself. So let me bring y'all around to the other side here, show you what we got going on. So this side I've already cut out. Let me sit down here. So this side I already cut out the whole entire rocker panel, and you can kind of see a little bit better what we're working with. This is everything that came out of here. I haven't cleaned up any, so all of this on the floor came from here. You can just see what a mess it is. I mean, we got like just junk metal. There was one piece, you can see right here how thick the Bondo was, about 1/2 inch thick. So I gotta clean up a little more of this, cut it back, a few more inches. And I gotta trim another inch or 1/2 inch off of this just to get into clean metal. Not too bad, as far as what I was expecting. It's actually not as bad as mine, my white crew cab that's still outside. So I need to get this rear section of vinyl out. I'm gonna have to pull the seats out because the whole rear section of vinyl flooring runs from there all the way up here, and the seat belts and seats are holding it in. So and I might end up just taking it all out just so I can clean everything forward. I'm gonna have to eventually to work on the front cab mounts, but for now I'm just trying to get the back done. But anyway, I'll pull the seats out, and then like I said, get that vinyl flooring out, and I'm gonna vacuum up as much of this as I can, and then I'm gonna drive the truck out and sandblast everything. The floor, the B-pillar, the rear cab corners. This cab corner is gonna stay. That one over there is too cracked and caved in. I'm gonna replace the driver cab corner. This one I can repair. So just to kind of show you guys what we're working with here, we have some replacement rocker panels right here. These I actually didn't have to order them. They came with my other crew cab. There was like 4 sets. So let me kind of maneuver this up here for you guys. So you can see that the end of that is the same contour that is, right? So that's gonna lay up there just like that. And obviously it'll be trimmed to fit. It's not gonna be overlapped, but it's gonna sit in there like that. And then obviously I'll have to do more trimming up here. This is for a single cab, so this end would originally be what's up there. So I'm gonna cut it short and then tie the B-pillar all back into it, once all the metal's clean. But yeah, you can see it's really not that big of a job. It's just cutting away everything that's bad, cleaning it back down to bare metal, getting all the rust off of it, and just trimming this up to fit. So I'll probably end up cutting this somewhere in here. Maybe farther back. I might cut it right before this curve starts here and just lay this, just butt it up to this and weld it. Now on the other side where I'm replacing the whole cab corner, it'll be different. I don't have a cab corner here right now, so I'll have to order one cab corner unless they come in pairs. If they come in pairs, I might just do this one just so they're both new. But if I can get just one, I'll do just the driver's side. But anyway, the procedure on that's a little different, tying a new rocker and cab corner together. But yeah, that's what we're working with. This was just gonna be a little quick update video, not really any time lapses of me working or anything. As far as the floor pan goes, I'll just cut out, you know, cut it out from there all the way across and then lay in a new piece, bring it down, fold it up for the weather stripping for the lip seal or whatever you call that. The piece that'll weld up to this, the floor pan also, you know how this is flat and it curves up. The floor pan will also have a piece that comes down and it angles up for this seam here where the weather stripping will ride on. Other than that, I'm just focusing on the floor and rockers right now. I'll get up there to all of that stuff later. I don't think any of that's too bad. I think it's just like surface rust that's been bubbling and cracking the Bondo out. I'm probably just gonna end up getting rid of all that and then redoing it. I don't think there's actually any serious rust up there. So, not too bad. As far as the floor back here joining the cab, I'm gonna have to get a little creative on fixing that where it's all separated. That shouldn't be too bad. That part there is a little worse on this truck than it was on my crew cab, but you know, we'll work through it. So, but yeah, nothing too crazy. The next video I'll show you guys, it'll be a time lapse of me pulling the seats out and the floor and kind of cutting some more of this out and then rolling it out to sandblast. You know, this whole piece of metal here, this will be all sandblasted and it'll be, you know, brand new steel, and we'll paint it, primer it, rust prevent, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. Originally I rolled it in here. I was just gonna make it a short bed before I started this, and then it just kind of ended up doing this first, so it's whatever. But yeah, just a quick little update, and I'll catch you guys later.